Shall we cook with a solar cooker?
Minu, Chinu, come here.
Yes, Grandma. Good morning.
Good morning, children. Can you help me? There is no kerosene at home. Can you go to the market and buy me some kerosene?
Yes, Grandma. We will go to the market now.
But Grandma, what do you need kerosene for? Why do you need it now?
Buzz, I need kerosene for the stove. I need it for cooking.
Why do you put kerosene in the stove?
Buzz, the stove will work only if we put kerosene into it. It gives power for the stove to work.
But I saw Sita auntie cooking. She does not put kerosene. She keeps blowing air with a long pipe and keeps coughing.
Buzz, Sita auntie uses dry wood, twigs and leaves to light up her stove. She blows air with a pipe to light up the stove faster. When things burn, they give out a lot of smoke. That is why she keeps coughing.
Is that black smoke not good for you? Is that why you cough?
Yes, Buzz. When wood, twigs, or cow dung are used to light the stove for cooking, they give out a thick smoke. That smoke is very bad for health.
Then, why does Sita auntie use these things for her stove?
I have told Sita many times not to light her stove with these things. She can fall very ill. But what can she do? They do not have enough money to buy kerosene or use some other fuel. See, these are all problems of not going to school and studying. Both Sita and her husband cannot read or write, so they cannot get a job and earn money.
That is really sad, Grandma. It is so much fun to go to school and learn new things.
I know children who go to school know that. And still, many people don't send their children to school. They don't understand that their children will face lots of problems when they grow up.
That is really sad, Grandma. See, even I can read and write.
That's right. See, even Buzz can read and write now. Friends, if you know of anyone in your village or town who doesn't go to school, you must ask them to go and join a nearby school.
Oh, we have to buy kerosene for Grandma. Grandma, does everyone use kerosene to light up their stove?
No, Buzz. People use different types of fuels to light up their stoves. All of them don't use kerosene. I saw a bar chart in a newspaper. It was about the different types of fuels people use for cooking. I have cut the paper and kept it. Come, let us see it now.
Let me read about the different fuels, Grandma. Wood and cow dung, LPG and kerosene, coal, electricity.
What is LPG, Minu?
LPG is the short form for liquefied petroleum gas. LPG. It is the gas cylinder that is used to start a stove.
Oh, Then the gas cylinder gives power to the stove.
That's right, Buzz. When we went to the town last time, I saw an uncle taking some cylinders on a cycle. They were red in color. Yes, they are red in color. A pipe is connected between the cylinder and the stove to start the fire for cooking.
Look, even coal and electricity are written in the chart. Do people use these also for cooking?
Yes, coal is used for cooking. In the cities, some people use electricity also for cooking.
Look at the chart. It gives the types of fuel used by people in the year 1976 and in 1996. 1976 and 1996? Ooh, so the chart shows the difference in 20 years.
On the side it says, out of 100 houses. What is that?
I will tell you. Look carefully at the 1976 chart. Can you see 84 written for wood and cow dung? It is written out of 100 houses here. It means 84 households out of 100 use this fuel of wood or cow dung. That means 84% of households use wood or cow dung as their fuel.
84%? What is that? What does that mean?
When we take 100 as a whole, Buzz, then we use percentage to tell the numbers. Look at both the bar charts now. In 1976, 10% of the households used LPG and kerosene. Now look at the 1996 chart. 18% of the households use this fuel.
It's like that. Now I know. See, electricity has increased from 1% to 5% in 20 years.
Grandma, look. Wood has reduced from 84% to 75% in 20 years.
Meenu, I was thinking. Now I remember. I have seen this percentage in the market in some shops. I have seen boards which say 25% or 50% discount.
That's right, Buzz. It means that for every rupees 100, you will get rupees 25 discount if it says 25% discount.
Discount? What is that?
Oh, the price has reduced by 25 rupees.
Children, if you don't get kerosene now, I won't be able to cook. Then you will have to remain hungry.
Oh no! I don't want to be hungry. Meenu, come. Let's go quickly. Raja, stop. Why are you barking so much? What is the problem?
Meenu, look. Look here. A water drop is sitting on top of the kerosene can.
Good morning, everybody. I am not a water drop. I am an oil drop. I am kerosene. Don't get scared. I won't harm you. We are not scared of you, oil drop. You are our friend. You help us light our stoves so that we can cook. We use you every day.
Thank you, Meenu. But if you don't use me carefully, then I will finish. You will not have me anymore.
You will finish? But why? Where do you come from?
I come from deep, deep inside the ground.
How do you go deep, deep inside the ground? Why do you go there?
I don't go there. That is where I am formed.
Oh, so you come from deep inside the ground. Who makes you oil drop?
I am formed naturally. I am not made by any human being or machine. I form very, very slowly. It takes lakhs of years for me to get formed. Oh my God! Lakhs of years? I can't even imagine or count. Even thousands of years is a lot. Lakhs of years is too much. That's right. That is why I am so precious.
You are under the ground? So why should we buy you? Just like Ma draws water from the well, we can draw you also from under the ground.
No, Buzz. I am not everywhere like water. I am under the ground, but only in very few places. You have to use big machines to pull me out from the ground. Then I am sent to big factories where I am cleaned.
I know. These factories are called refineries. Remember, Chinu? When we went to see the Taj Mahal last year, we saw a place called Mathura on the way. There was a big factory, and our teacher said that it was a refinery to clean oil.
Buzz, what are you looking at?
Oh, this is a map of India. Chinu made it for me. I am looking for Mathura.
Show me. I will find it out for you. Look. This is Mathura. There is a refinery at this place. But Oil Drop, are you so dirty when you come from inside the ground? Why do you have to be cleaned in such big factories? Yes, Chinu. I have to be cleaned. I live deep inside the ground.
I know. I have read in a book. It said scientists use special techniques and machines to find out where the oil is. Then they use big pipes and machines to pull oil out.
That's right. When oil comes out, it is very thick, smelly, and dark in color. Many things are mixed up in it. Oh, that's why oil is sent to a refinery to separate these things and be cleaned up. Yes, when this oil is cleaned up and separated, you get kerosene, petrol, diesel, grease, and even that LPG or the cooking gas.
Oh, so many things come from deep inside the ground. So, Oil Drop, you are nice and clean. Actually, I am dirty today. I have not yet had a bath.
I will give you a bath once we go home, Buzz. So, Oil Drop, you really are precious. We must use you carefully and save you.
Meenu, when we went to see the Taj Mahal, remember the bus driver stopped at a petrol pump to fill diesel? I saw a board at the petrol pump. It said, petrol and diesel will not last forever. So use it carefully and save every drop.
Oh yes, Chinu. Now I know how important and precious oil is. Let me hold you carefully, Oil Drop.
So, Oil Drop, you are found deep inside the ground, and that too only in very few places. That's right. And I take lakhs of years to get formed. That is why I said that if you don't use me carefully, I will finish. People pull out lots and lots of me. They need petrol and diesel for vehicles, LPG and kerosene for cooking. They also need me for making many other things like plastics and paints.
Oh no! So, Oil Drop, people need you for everything. What will they do if you get over? Chinu, how will you get food? How will you go from one place to another? I have wings, so I have no problem. I can fly anywhere.
That is why people should use me carefully and save me whenever they can.
I know there are too many buses and other vehicles in towns and cities. They make so much of noise and give out smoke. I start coughing every time I go to the town.
I know. Even I start coughing with so much of smoke around. My cousin living in Delhi told me that buses in Delhi run on CNG and they give out less smoke. But where does CNG come from? If oil finishes, then maybe we can use CNG. Chinu, CNG is compressed natural gas. And it also comes from below the earth. So even that is not available forever. So the only way is to save me. Oh my God! Then the only way is to save oil. I don't know why people don't use cycles to travel to nearby places. That way some oil can be saved.
That's right. Even for long distances, we should use buses. That way, oil can be saved. If 4 people can go by a car to a place, then more than 50 people can go to the same place by a bus. And the oil spent is the same. Imagine how much oil we can save by using it carefully.
So, why don't people travel by buses then? Why do they use cars when they can go by bus?
That's a good question, Buzz. People should think about it.
Oh, I am so worried now, Oil Drop. What if you get over? Where can we find you in our country?
I am mostly found in the states of Gujarat and Assam. I am also there under the sea near Bombay and Puducherry.
Wait, Oil Drop. Let me take out my map. I will try to spot all these places.
I will help you, Buzz. This is Gujarat. And this is Assam.
Oh, so far, far away. This is the sea near Mumbai. And this is the one near Puducherry. So you are there only in very few places.
That's right, Buzz. That's why I tell you that you must use me carefully and save me. We should use less of you for cooking also. I have seen a solar cooker in our village. Radha auntie has one. She cooks her food using a solar cooker.
Solar cooker, what is that?
It is a cooker that cooks food, but it uses sunlight to cook the food. Sunlight gives the power to cook the food. It does not use oil or any other fuel like wood, cow dung or coal.
Oh, so then everyone should use that. Sunlight is not limited like oil. It is not going to finish.
That's right. We will tell Grandma also to buy a solar cooker for our house. Then we can cook using the sun's light.
Can we also use the sun's power to drive cars and buses? Otherwise, if oil finishes, then people will have to get wings to fly from one place to another.
Yes, Buzz. We should try and use more of the sun's power to do all our things. Otherwise, can you imagine what will happen if petrol, diesel, kerosene or LPG finishes? We will not be able to cook or light our lamps.
We won't be able to travel to places. Even Papa's machine that waters his field needs oil. So he won't be able to water his field. Oh my God! Then how will he grow his crop? Friends, did you see how precious I am? You need me for many, many things. I am found deep inside the ground and only in very few places. So use me carefully as I take lakhs of years to form.
That's right. We all should try and save oil. We are going to tell our grandma to cook food using solar cooker. Friends, can you think of more ways to save oil?
Friends, will you tell out loudly whether the following statements are true or false? Kerosene gives power for a stove to work. True. When cow dung is used for cooking, it gives out a thick smoke. True. Crude oil can never finish. False. Electricity is also used for cooking. True. In 1976, 84% of households used wood or cow dung. True. Factories in which crude oil is cleaned are called refineries. True. In India, petrol is cheaper than diesel. False. Sunlight is not limited like crude oil. True. Using compressed natural gas or CNG causes a lot of pollution. False. Crude oil is precious and so we have to save it. True. Shall we help Parrot fill in the blanks? Crude oil is found in the states of and in India. Gujarat, Assam. Crude oil is found in the states of Gujarat and Assam in India. Crude oil can also be found under the sea near and Mumbai, Puducherry. Crude oil can also be found under the sea near Mumbai and Puducherry. A cooker is a cooker that uses sunlight to cook food. Solar. A solar cooker is a cooker that uses sunlight to cook food. is not limited like crude oil. It will not finish. Sunlight is not limited like crude oil. It will not finish. Means liquefied petroleum gas. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. Means compressed natural gas. CNG means compressed natural gas. Is also known as cow dung cakes. Upla is also known as cow dung cakes. Using a helps us to save crude oil. Solar cooker. Using a solar cooker helps us to save crude oil. Crude oil takes of years to form. Lakhs. Crude oil takes lakhs of years to form. Friends, different kinds of fuels are used for different things. Will you help me to find out which fuel is used for these things? Lantern, kerosene, solar cooker, sunlight, gas cylinder, LPG, generators, diesel or petrol, dry cleaning, petrol, lantern, kerosene, solar cooker, sunlight, gas cylinder, LPG, generators, diesel or petrol, dry cleaning, petrol, car, bus, tractor, diesel, petrol or CNG, iron box, coal or electricity, stove, firewood, coal or kerosene, tandoor, coal, car, bus, tractor, diesel, petrol or CNG, iron box, coal or electricity, stove, firewood, coal or kerosene, tandoor, coal, friends, will you answer these questions with me now? You can also write the answers in your notebook. Can you name some fuels that are used for cooking? Kerosene, firewood, cow dung, coal, and LPG are some of the fuels used for cooking. What is LPG? LPG is the short form for liquefied petroleum gas. It is filled into a gas cylinder. A pipe is then connected from the cylinder to the stove to help the gas flow to the stove. This gas catches fire when lit with a matchstick and gives power to the stove to work. Where can we find crude oil? Crude oil is found deep down in the ground. Crude oil is formed naturally and it takes lakhs of years for crude oil to form. Big machines are used to draw crude oil from the ground. How is crude oil cleaned or refined? Crude oil is sent to refineries where it is cleaned. When crude oil comes out of the ground, it is very thick and dark in color. Many things are mixed in it. The refineries separate the other things in the crude oil and give us clean oil. What do we get when crude oil is cleaned? We get kerosene, petrol, diesel, grease, and LPG. How is crude oil useful to us? Crude oil is very useful to us because we need petrol and diesels for vehicles, kerosene and LPG for cooking, and also for making plastics and paints. What will happen if we do not use crude oil carefully? If we do not use crude oil carefully, it will finish. That would cause a lot of problem in our daily life. We will not be able to cook many things or travel quickly from one place to another. We will not have things like soap, paints, etc. What must we do to save crude oil? To save crude oil, people should walk or cycle to nearby places. They should use buses more often instead of taking their own vehicles. What is a solar cooker? Solar cooker is a cooker that cooks food by using sunlight. What is CNG? CNG is the short form for compressed natural gas. Will you find out as to how much of oil is used in your home in a month? Can you make a poster on how to save fuel? You can write a message or slogan on it also.